So let's start with Delhi Capitals. क्यों? क्योंकि फर्स्ट डे, फर्स्ट आवर, फर्स्ट डे जो मतलब ऑक्शंस हुए, जो पहले ऑक्शंस हुए, आपके जो मार्की ऑक्शंस हुए, उसमें ऐसा लगा कि यार दिल्ली कैपिटल्स हैव लॉस्ट आउट इन अ बिग बिग मैनर, very big manner. I mean, they wanted Shreyas Iyer and they went up till 26.5 crores. Then they had to pull out. Then, of course, they were in for Rishabh Pant as well after that until 20 crores. And then they had right to match card. And then Lucknow Super Giants just did this and got Rishabh Pant for 27 crores as well. Eventually, this is what they got. I think Jake Fraser McGurk was a very good purchase for them. KL Rahul for 14 crores. They got Faf du Plessis for 2 crores. Justin Stubbs already there. Dushmanta Chamira, Mukesh Kumar was a good buy. They were congratulating themselves on Mukesh Kumar. T. Nacharajan, Kuldeep Yadav was already retained. Mitchell Stark, another good buy, 10 plus CR if I remember. And then, of course, all-rounders की list आप देखिए, Samir Rizvi, Akshar Patel, Ashutosh Sharma from Punjab. Sahil, let's start with you. First round, they were the big losers, losing out Shreyas Iyer. But overall, अगर हम कहेंगे कि they have covered well, but is this recovery sufficient? Can they be in contention?
I think first, for starters, for Kotla, sorry, the Arun Jaitley Stadium, before someone sends us a legal suit, Arun Jaitley Stadium, they have a good bowling attack. T. Natarajan, Michelle Stark, and they've persisted with Mukesh Kumar, clearly showing a lot of faith there, and Mohit Sharma. So I think you are sorted for our away games where there will be some grip on the surface, क्योंकि कोटला में तो बहुत मार पड़ेगा मोहित को. तो जब
Yeah.
आप ट्रैवल करोगे, so you are very sorted with Mohit Sharma, and I think the pace bowling department looks very good because they were always sorted when it came to spin bowling. Aksar and Kuldeep, 8 overs are in the bank. So बाकी 12 overs के लिए they have assembled very good options. And in batting too, right? JFM, if KL opens, then you have another opener who will go hammer and tongs from one end. So it will allow KL to bat deep and probably have others to bat around him because Tristan Stubbs in the middle order. Then opening with JFM, Faf du Plessis an option. Abhishek Porel looked very exciting last season. So they've
Yeah.
assembled a good squad. Then lower down the order, you also have fire in Ashutosh Sharma, Samir Rizvi, who can just tee off from jet go. So I think good, well-rounded squad, and it will be about them adapting to conditions at their home venue because that is going to be the challenge. And Delhi historically have kind of struggled to crack the code at home. They have been good travelers, but घर पे वो स्ट्रगल रहता है बहुत, मतलब विकेट थोड़ा ट्रू मिलता है तो स्पिनर्स डोंट कम इनटू प्ले. So that will be my only concern how they do at home. Otherwise, they have a very good traveling squad with the two spinners and Mohit in place now.
Okay, a lot of comments in there as well. We'll take them in just a bit. Nitin, starting with you first up. Losing Shreyas and then Rishabh Pant, और हमने बात भी की थी preview में कि it's going to depend on which name comes first. लेकिन because they lost Shreyas, auction dynamics came to play. They had to go for Rishabh Pant, despite the fact that there's a breakdown in the relationship, etc., etc. जो भी वो पूरी story है. I mean, from that perspective, it was interesting to see auction dynamics. मतलब श्रेयस अय्यर गए तो अब फंस गए, अब तो ऋषभ पंत के लिए वापस जाना ही पड़ेगा. और जब ऋषभ पंत भी हाथ से निकल गया, then they had to make those two big signings, which was KL Rahul and Jake Fraser McGurk. They were not going to let them go. So एक तरीके से पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव दोनों तरीके से हमें ऑक्शन डायनामिक्स एट प्ले दिखे विद दिल्ली कैपिटल्स.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think they would have wanted to pay too much for KL Rahul maybe. They would have preferred to get him for around 9 or 10. But once they lost both Shreyas and Rishabh Pant, I think they needed a strong Indian face who could captain them. Uh, and that is where I think KL Rahul comes. But they've assembled a wonderful bowling lineup this time. Mitchell Stark, T. Natarajan, Mohit Sharma, Mukesh Kumar, Dushmanta Chamira can bowl sharpish. So and obviously they have a wonderful spin bowling attack. As Sahil said, I mean everything. Uh, you know, uh, Again, Faf du Plessis. I don't know why they punted on him. Yes, he did well at CPL T20 and SA20, but in this lineup, I would struggle to fit him in. And agreed with everything that Sahil said, except one thing, where he said KL to bat deep. I think KL to bat deep, that is when trouble begins.
Yeah, I mean it depends. It depends कि आप केएल को इट डिपेंड्स कि आप केएल को आप किस पोजीशन पे बैट करा रहे हो. अगर आप उसको ओपनिंग बैटिंग दे रहे हो एंड देन ही बैट्स डीप, देन दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. अगर आप उसको टॉप 4 में जगह दे रहे हो कहीं नंबर 3 नंबर 4 पे एंड देन ही लुक्स टू बैट डीप, then that's a different thing. Dwapayan and Gigi, let's come to you as well. What do you make up of this DC lineup? Do you agree that KL Rahul was kind of a forced buy for them? उनको कुछ ना कुछ तो चाहिए था. They needed a big Indian batting name. And also, यहाँ पर, we're getting mixed signals from them in terms of who's going to lead the lineup. I mean, somebody is saying KL Rahul is going to be the captain. One of the owners is saying both KL Rahul and Akshar Patel are captains. ये बोथ आर कैप्टन वाला क्या स्टोरी है कि 2 साल वो कैप्टन रहेगा, फिर 2 साल कोई और कैप्टन रहेगा, या दो, या इसको आप उस जैसे मैनेजमेंट चलता है उनका, या आप इसको 2 मैच में कोई कैप्टन रहेगा, फिर 2 मैच में कोई कैप्टन रहेगा, या होम कैप्टन कोई रहेगा, अवे कैप्टन कोई रहेगा. व्हाट इज द स्टोरी देयर? जीजी, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद यू.
Very weird actually if they've said this that Akshar Patel भी captain हो सकते हैं, because I was very clear when they bought KL Rahul कि KL Rahul ही उनके कैप्टन रहेंगे, क्योंकि KL Rahul को कैप्टनसी का एक्सपीरियंस है अनलाइक अक्षर पटेल. 3 साल कंटिन्यूसली कैप्टन थे वो लखनऊ सुपर जायंट्स में, एंड उनमें से 2 साल वो प्लेऑफ्स में पहुंचे. एंड KL Rahul हैज अ नैक ऑफ लीडिंग एंड शेफर्डिंग प्लेयर्स वेल. हमने देखा जिस तरह से उन्होंने यशस्वी जायसवाल को खिलाया अपने साथ टेस्ट मैच में ओपनिंग पार्टनरशिप में. So and KL again is somebody I think he's carried a spot in the 11 definitely. और वो ओपन करते हैं मेरे ख्याल से he is a very rhythm player. अगर वो रिदम में होते हैं ना तो फिर वो 50 मतलब 60 बॉल में भी 100 मारते हैं, जो हमने देखा है. और जब वो स्ट्रगल कर रहे होते हैं, लाइक ही इज वेरी समबडी who's just yes, वर्चुअली उनके 2 रूप हैं. और जो वो उस रूप में होते हैं, जब वो फ्री फ्लो में होते हैं तो बहुत बढ़िया खेलते हैं, लेकिन जब वो स्ट्रगल कर रहे होते हैं, टाइम नहीं कर रहे होते हैं बॉल, तो वहां वो मैच खराब करते हैं. That is when the problems arise, I think, especially in chases and big chases. Other than that, I think squad itself is playing out pretty well, but I think they will be sensible to appoint KL as the captain if they have paid so much and sort of they've got him on board. They will be I mean it will be absolutely थोड़ा सा वो आइडिया डिफिकल्ट है मुझे समझना है चीज, अगर वो सडनली अक्षर पटेल को कप्तान बना देते हैं, क्योंकि टीम तो उनकी सेटल्ड है. ये बहुत फर्स्ट क्लास टीम है उनके पास में. I doubt it is a team which can go all the way to win the title, but it is an exciting team on paper, definitely, especially the fast bowling attack, as Nitin said. Spinners, my only slight doubt is the backup to Akshar and Kuldeep. What is the backup? That looks a bit inexperienced, definitely.
Well, Akshar Patel, you don't really see him out injured too much, right? Kuldeep Yadav, yes, उनका fitness issue रहता है. Akshar Patel, is somebody who's consistent with his fitness and and his availability. Hardly आपको कोई headline मिलता है कि अक्षर पटेल unfit है. Dwapayan, what do you think? Akshar Patel captaincy material, or at the same time, are you also impressed with what Delhi Capitals managed to do after losing out Shreyas Iyer and Rishabh Pant?
If they had thought of Akshar Patel as the captain, then they should have decided it beforehand. So, because they haven't done it before the auctions, so I am guessing they wanted a captain. So, and in that case, once they didn't get any of the two their main targets, they went for KL Rahul. By that deduction, most probably KL Rahul will be the captain. I do not see a reason why he should not be the captain. Otherwise, they should have gone with Akshar Patel as their captain. Like he has been with the franchisee for so long, and otherwise the team looks good to me. One point I will disagree with Nitin is that I think Faf du Plessis for 2 crore is a fantastic buy. He played
Yeah.
brilliantly last IPL. It is almost a guarantee that he will be better than both McGurk and Harry Brook in that top order, because those two guys, McGurk has been sorted out by most teams the way he plays, and Harry Brook, I saw him in the Pakistan series. He was really searching for when the ball turns just that little bit. So so it will be down to Tristan Stubbs and Faf du Plessis at the top to shepherd the ship around KL Rahul. That's what I
Okay.
think.
Sarachandra is also agreeing with, pretty much what you are saying. Sahil, how much is a possibility of Faf du Plessis, I mean, being captain? I mean, ठीक है, आपने उसको 2 करोड़ में खरीदा है, ठीक है, he's 40 plus, but he's still scoring runs. You still want him. Is he just a backup in that top order, or could he just be a frontline choice? And could actually be captain for Delhi Capitals. I mean, that could be a very very ठीक है. I mean, if you can think of Akshar Patel as captain, then Faf को भी captain बनाने में कोई बुराई तो नहीं है.
No, Chetan, I think I touched upon it during the auction show as well. I kind of try to understand the owners when I try to understand what they'll do. And the signs which GMR Group has already given, they wanted an Indian backroom setup, right? All coaches are Indian right now. So it will be a surprise to me if they opt for an overseas captain right now. They will be going for an Indian captain for sure. And they have a toss up between KL Rahul and Akshar Patel. And KL Rahul, just primarily because of his brand value, I think will pip Akshar in that race, because at the end of the day, you have to make money.
Okay, okay. Let's take some comments here before we move ahead. Awad कह रहे हैं Rahul should play with complete freedom like he used to earlier in T20s. भाई कौन सा passage of time था? कौन से era की बात कर रहे हो? हमें भी याद दिला दो. When he used to play. Yeah, I mean there was this one year, yeah, 2016, 2018. उसके बाद he just got lost somewhere. I don't know why. Especially when he went to Punjab, started scoring those big runs at the top and decided कि नहीं मेरे को बड़े रन भी बनाने हैं और मेरे को मैच भी फिनिश करना है. Kiran Kumar says Faf du Plessis is a steal. We agree with you. Akshar Patel captain आशीष कह चुके हैं. DC looks Monica Mishra कह रही हैं DC looks solid this time. Kanan is saying Faf is a backup in case Jake Fraser McGurk fails. He's been in poor form since the last IPL. Right. So this is rounding up Delhi Capitals. Okay, okay. Here's a question for you, Sahil, from Sports Fan. Shed light on some of the uncapped domestic players. Who do you think could be a standout for them? They've got a few of them, especially in the all-rounder category. क्या लगता है आपको?
No, some very good buys here. Tirupuna Vijay, Darshan Nalkande, Madhav Tiwari, Vipraj Nigam, the UP leg spinner. I think he got a game today as well. These are good buys, and you could see that involvement of Vijay Bhardwaj, who recently took over as the talent scout. I think inka ek buy, I'm forgetting the name, has been picked right from the Maharaja T20. A player who did really well there. I'm forgetting the name right now. We did something on TY.com regarding those Desi buys, which DC did bulk buys towards the end. So you can see a stamp of Vijay Bhardwaj there and a couple of Andhra players there in the mix. Not surprised there because Venugopal Rao is director of cricket. So आपको वो buys दिखेंगे. And those last 4-5 buys were on those lines. And Ashutosh again here. आज अच्छा 50 मारा, had a good partnership with Upendra Yadav. So he's also back amongst the runs now.